Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to be looking at some floor air vents from RecPro. So as you'll see right away, we have two different color options here for you, which is going to let you pick which one is better for your RV's interior design. And looking at the actual construction of the product here, it's made out of a very sturdy ABS plastic, which is it's going to have a long lifetime value for you. And the actual design of it here, it's in a fixed stationary position, so you're never gonna have to worry about, is my floor vent open or closed? Like, what's going on with the air circulation in my RV right now? They're always just gonna be open, and they're gonna maintain a steady level of airflow. And you're also never gonna have to worry about anything falling in between them here with the support brackets, I suppose, in the back here. We'll also display the surface measurements here, so you know how much space this is going to be taking up on your floor. Now for the installation process here, you'll see that it's just a very simple push into place kind of mechanic with the legs on the sides here. Then of course you're going to need two screws, one on either end. And of course, if you would like to learn anything more about this product, you can visit the link in the description below, which is going to take you right to the product pages here. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.